Hello children and welcome to the online teaching session. In the previous videos we have seen noun and we did some exercises. Now today we will do some more exercises. So let us start the exercise. Question number 6. Give the collective nouns for the following. Choose from the words given in the box. Now here in a box, words are already given. We have to choose and write. A dash of spectators. An answer will be crowd. A crowd of spectators. B, a dash of birds. We will write flock. A flock of birds. C, a dash of thieves. Now we will write gang. A gang of thieves. In the same way, D, a troop of dancers. A staff of servants. F, a plague of locusts. G, a litter of puppies. Then, a nest of mice. A pride of lions. J, a swarm of insects. Spelling is SWARM. A swarm of insects. K, a troop of monkeys. L, a team of oxen. M, a bevy of ladies. Spelling is BEVY. N, a company of actors. O, a band of musicians. P, a host of angels. Q, a gaggle of geese. Gaggle, GAGGLE. Gaggle of geese. A colony of rabbits. S, a pack of wolves. And T, a school of whales. Now children, see question number 7. Circle the concrete nouns in the following sentences. Now this is your homework. Once I will read this. A house is made of bricks and mortar. B, our tables were rather dirty. C, the poor girls were given aluminium plates to eat from. D, the feathers were arranged neatly to make a hand fan. E, the salt and pepper containers were made of sterling silver. Now this is your homework and you have to note down this and then you have to circle the concrete nouns. Question number 8. Match the words in column A with those in column B to make compound nouns. Now children, I taught you compound nouns and write them below. Okay, this you have to write. Now see compound noun. I told you hyphen will come in between. See number 1, commander in chief. B, great grandmother. Runners up. Vice chancellor. Passers by. Man ass. Goods wagon. Step daughter. Salt shaker. Lookers on. Okay. Now in this we have seen the compound noun. Let us move to question number 9. See, question number 9. Give the plural forms of the nouns given below. Keep in mind the rules learnt in the previous classes. Okay. This is again your homework because it is very easy, children. See the car, cars. Leaf, leaves. Bus, buses. You know na, that if U is there, we have to write ES. So along with this simple rule, you have to make plural of all this. Once I will read and then you will do it by yourself. Car, bus, leaf, hair, nail, fountain pen, lady, tooth, louse, daughter-in-law, jeans, product, half, child, ox, potato, photo, highway, women, chief. Daisy, pony, computer and cuckoo. So you all have to make plural of this. Now come to the question number 10. This is again very easy and homework for you. In the sentences given below, state the gender, okay, and underline nouns. A tigress was caught prowling in the nearby village. Now a tigress, it's a feminine gender, feminine of tiger. So tigress was caught prowling in the nearby village. Even you can mark village also and you can write down it is a common noun. Again it is a common noun. Clear? So you have to underline the gender and then you have to write down the noun also. Now I told you A, like a tigress was caught prowling in the nearby village. A tigress is a feminine and it is a common noun. In this way you have to do B, C, D and E. See, the B is the bachelors were given separate quarters while the spinters were housed in the bungalow. The stewardess offered us drinks. All the parents were invited to the exhibition. The computers were sold to a company. So in this you all have to underline the gender. Okay. And you have to state the gender. Then question number 11 is also very easy. Some words are given and you have to mention that whether they are masculine, feminine, common and neuter. Like words are friend, chair, parent, wizard, milk, steward, teenager, mirror, heroine, teacher, mare, nephew, sheep, lass, actor, relative, clock, house, shoes, widow, cake, neighbor, drank and spinster. Now in this you have to divide them in masculine, feminine, common and neuter gender. Okay. Question number 12. Underline all the nouns in the sentences given below and state what type of noun it is. Now see children, this is also easy exercise. The boys agreed to stay in a hotel. We have to underline the nouns. That is boys, we can underline and we can write down that it is a common noun. Even we can underline hotel also and we can write down it is a common noun because we are talking about some common place. After this, B. I have lost my new pair of spectacles. A new pair of spectacles. Again, it is a noun. Clear? Now you have to mention that what type of noun it is. Come to C. The painting had gold and silver inlay work. D. Here also you have to underline the noun and you have to write down what type of noun it is. D. The furniture was being repainted. Again you have to underline and you have to mention. E. My feet are hurting. F. Pancakes are very popular in USA. G. I am going to Anita's house for dinner. H. There were forget-me-not all along the garden path. I shall never forget his kindness. J. The crew of the ship were the last to leave. K. My brother's fiancé is an American. L. The girl guides were sent off on a camp. M. The crops were eaten by a plague of locusts. N. Mark's dog has just given birth to a litter of 6 puppies. Last one. The toys were scattered all over the floor. Now children, this is all about noun. I taught you everything about noun and then I gave you all the exercises. Now, whatever homework I have given you, you have to do that. Either you can do it in the notebook, or if you have book, then it is very good. In the next video, we will do the second chapter, that is the pronoun. Till then, you stay safe, stay home and keep learning. Thank you.